Hey guys, welcome back to SuperAwesomeLand on a modder's world. I don't think he recorded it, but we all added stuff to our room, carpeting. I might remove these two, put wood there, and put like actual carpet there or something, because I went out and I did some exploring after I ended my recording, and I found some dark oak and an apple. So what I'm gonna do is, before I do anything, because I need to start on that skeleton grinder, is I'm going to make some doors. I won't need all of these, but the oak wood doors look best. Yes, okay, I did them right. Rainy didn't really do anything to hers. She didn't put them in, she put them out. And she's done some stuff. Oh god. She originally had green wool in here. She's not recorded anything yet. I just gave her the recording software that me and An use. I see she's put pictures up. What she have? See, green wool. So she might try and figure out how to get dead bushes in here. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let me just close the door behind me. Aw, mouse, come on, don't do this. Oh, Lord. I have two windows open. One, two, just basic earning sites. That looks so strange. So strange. But yeah, one to basic earning sites. One to some Twitches. Cause I'm waiting for someone to start streaming so I can watch them. And I have Skype open, and I have the recording software open, and I have Minecraft open, obviously. So if there's any lag other than me going this way when I'm wanting to turn, that's just my mouse being stupid. Okay, so I need lots of signs. Lots of signs. Because all of the what's it called? 17. All the mob grinder tutorials that I've seen have shown them doing a water elevator. So I need a lot of signs and a lot of buckets of water to do that. $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23. Okay. So there's that. Pretty sure I don't need sticks. I'm kind of ashamed to say that me and Zachy, we hadn't figured out how to record yet. So, and we'd done like a bunch of stuff, like off camera, that should have been on camera. Like finding this diamond horse armor in a desert temple, and doing all of this. Just all of this, and getting Jeb, who is... No? Right there. Right there. And just making this bigger, because we assumed that On wasn't gonna build anywhere down here, so we just made it bigger for the cows. And this is where most of my levels have gone. They've gone into enchanting books and enchanting all the things. I still don't have a Silk Touch pick. We have not ever gotten a Fortune 3 anything. It's always been Fortune 2. That's how we got 7 blocks of diamonds and 33 diamonds. Rainy! Hi. We've not figured out how to edit our videos yet. She's upstairs, I think. Yeah. We've not figured out how to edit our videos. And we don't have the money for fraps, which would record our Skype conversations while we're in here. And which are just the friggin' best because we're hilarious. So much iron. I might need to take this iron, cause wait, I have an infant. No, but then hmm. You'll see I'll do that because I'm not used to hitting T for hitting T to open up chat. I might change that to C. Actually, that's a good idea. Options, controls, inventory, jump, sneak. Where is it? Open chat is now C. Done, back. Chat button. Yeah, I'll do that. Now I don't know which one is which. T to C. Yeah. And I had problems recording last night because the hypercam, it's like F3, F4, and or F2 and F3, and just F3 is my coordinates button, and F2 takes pictures, takes screenshots, I mean. So we're gonna, oh, that's a bat. So I might change this. This might just turn into a chest filled with minecarts, because I want to be able to keep this minecart here, and then just like press a button, and it go, but it doesn't go. I should also mention that when I was down here, this also wasn't recorded sadly, when I was down here placing rails, I found a second skeleton spawner right there. Oh, what the? Okay. Oh. Hello, other minecart that I did not catch last time. I'll get you in a second. On has the fortune pick on him. And while I was making this 3 bigger, well, 2 wider on each, 1 wider on each side, I was finding all the ores. Oh, redstone. And I've played so much Minecraft and I've watched so many other people play Minecraft that's just like, they find all the things. And uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I? Uh-oh. Okay. Well, thankfully that wasn't really anything bad. It was just a normal rail. Oh, okay. Have at it. Ah, see? So you'll hear Rainy on her end because she doesn't wear headphones when she plays Minecraft. So you can hear all the sounds from her end. And I tried to edit my videos last night. I tried to figure that out and I couldn't. It was like gibberish to me. I may have picked I may have picked software that was too difficult for even me to understand. But he found such a good spawning point for spawn to be at. Well, he didn't pick it. The game did. The game picked it. So it's just like he's next to savannah, next to plains, next to just everything. I'm just gonna get all these things because I level hoard because yeah, you'll have to excuse the noises around that you hear. I live at home and well, I'm not a gamer. I never will be. And I just don't have like really good anything to be recording. I don't have a big girl computer. And I say big girl computer meaning I don't have a gaming computer. I have a laptop. But yeah, I level hoard because I want to enchant all the things. And we've not been to the Nether yet. Sadly, we've not been to the Nether yet. Yeah, like we need more redstone. Cause me and Rainy, we just every time we come on, we're like, let's go mining. And we've just this entire system down here is just insane. We recently just mined to the left instead of going right. Like I'll show you when I get back down there. Cause this leads right back down. It's just kind of strange to talk to myself knowing that you can't hear any of these Minecraft sounds. You can kind of hear me in Onomotter's recordings, but that's because I'm the uh, uh, eh. But that's because I'm like the loudest. Oh no, oh no, oh no, that was stupid. The sad thing is that I had a water bucket on me. I could have turned into obsidian. Oh god, that was funny. Oh god. And she's down there. Um, yeah, I might just remove these two. Yeah, I'll remove these two. put oak wood back here. Is this oak or birch? Oh, it looks like oak. Yeah, oak, because that's primarily what we have, oak. See, like that. That was either lag or... So I'm gonna get a couple... couple of these... Maybe... Yeah, that'll be enough to make 2 pressure plates. Because I didn't know we were originally going to use wool blocks. I thought we were going to use carpet, and it was going to be like a little drop down thingy. But no, I was wrong. But then again, we can make it however we want. And the reason I took up the pink carpet is because look, that doesn't look right. That looked out of place on a pink carpet. The sad thing is that when I chose my Minecraft skin, because I was like freaking Steve forever, it's so funny because you don't expect it to happen, but it's Minecraft, so. But yeah, like I was saying, I level hoard because I want all the things. And the redstone. Yeah, see, we don't need redstone. We don't need redstone at all. We're good on redstone for like ever. That's 9. That'd be 10. But yeah, when I chose my Minecraft skin, I wanted just an avatar with super long hair. And that's what I found, but I also wanted pink. But it's not really pink, it's more purple than anything, and that's just really stupid. Ah, no! No! Damn it. Okay, there we go. Yay! So let me get my water bucket out. I think there was still redstone. But yeah, we mined down to 11. No, it's right there. F. I don't know what she's doing. She might be coming to help. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yes, that's wood. I know that's wood. Why did I use wood? I used wood because I'm an idiot. So let's just mine that out and put cobblestone. Simple as that. Wait a minute. Wait. No. Okay. But I was coming this way because ores. And if I can remember how to pause this recording. Well, now you can see it, so I was right. It's Control-Shift-8. So, be right back. 8, back to recording. And I am just getting the ores that are in the shaft of this thingy before I start on the skeleton grinder. How's your recording going? Is it working well? Is this a cave? Did we miss this entire cave? Oh, no, it's not a cave. It's not a cave. There's just, it ends. So again, you guys can't hear the Skype recordings because we are poor and we do not have fraps, and you can't hear the hilariousness of us being dorks. Oh, more iron, jeez. One day, we'll have better computers, we'll have more money, and we'll be able to make awesome things in SuperAwesomeLand. Because that's what we want to do, because single player Minecraft gets really boring. And talking to oneself, not in a Skype call, is really weird. Which way was I going? I was going this way. I think I was going this way. Yeah, I was going this way. That is gravel. That is gravel, okay. So I had problems last night recording. Because you know how I love to take screenshots. And I love to look at the coordinates even though we get lost all the time. And basically, Hypercam, its starting and stopping is on the, well, let's put it this way. I kept on looking at coordinates, and I kept on either stopping the recording or pausing it. Mostly stopping it. That's why I showed you a picture of like 8 different videos. So there's that. Oh, back to the front. But yeah, we went a little bit insane. We dug down like you saw from here, and then went this way. And then it's like, well, let's just dig side by side. And we're gonna go all the way down, all the way, all the way. And I'm gonna go all the way down and show you how insane we are. Like, look how far this goes. Now, were you coming to help me with the skelly spawner? No, you can help. Alright. See, we are insane. This goes on forever. Yes. I think it was one that I hadn't picked up. that you shot back at me, and I tried to get it, but it didn't work. But yeah, oh, Rainy, remember that, like, one time we came down here, and I started dropping all the things? A breadcrumb trail? It's still here, it never despawned. Yeah, I just picked up a couple bones, couple string, maybe 5 or 6, cooked chicken. Yeah, I know. Well, we've not been down here in days, so it's not despawned. We've not been in the chunk. And I don't know what this is. I think, oh, I think we just went up here because reasons. And I think I hear, is that on your end? Are you near spiders? Huh? Ah! I fell. So there are spiders here, and a lot of them. Either I'm near a cave, or I'm near a spider spawner. Or hopefully a mine shaft, which we've not found. Huh. Right, despite all of it. I heard them. Where'd they go? Me. Turn up my Minecraft sounds. Not that. It's friendly creatures. Ah, I fell again. For those who don't know, I am in windowed mode. So, because I couldn't figure out how to get full screen Minecraft to show up in the thingy, the screen region, because I fail at life. I do not know how to record well. I hear you guys. Where are you going? Oh, cave. Cave, cave, cave. Eh. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh, it's a lot of iron. Good lord. Oh, there's lava above me. Hello, Mr. Skeleton. Nope. Oh, I missed. He missed. We both missed. I missed again. And I know you guys are probably wondering about the name of my bow. It's just another little nickname of mine. I have many nicknames. Just call me Brimey. Or Brimmy. Either one. It doesn't matter. But this is... Yeah, I don't really know the exact pronunciation of Brimey. Because it's mine and my boyfriend's names combined. You know, like a ship name. Because we're crazy like that. And I don't know where to go from here. Yeah, a little bit. Little bit. Let me just go up here. But yeah, I've had the name Asahi or Asa for like since 7th grade. And I've been graduated from high school for like 2011. It's